Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily create a cinematic trailers with HitPaw Edimakor templates. No need to be a pro editor. It's super beginner friendly and fast. Let's jump in. First hit or launch the HitPaw Edimakor on your computer, then click the create new to start a fresh project. Then go to the templates tab and search or scroll the cinematic or trailer templates collection. Pick one you like and you'll see a preview before selecting it. Then click Import to add your video clips, images, and logo to the media library. Drag and drop your media files into the placeholders inside the template timeline. Then to customize the text and titles, double-click the text boxes in the timeline to edit your titles, actor names, and dramatic captions. Adjust the fonts, color, and animation effects for professional movie trailer vibe. Then head over to the audio tab and click or pick the powerful background track. You can also import your own cinematic audio for extra impact. Drag into the audio track and adjust the timing to match your visuals. And watch the preview window to check the trailer spacing, text timing, and transitions. Then adjust the clip lengths, effects, and music volume if needed. And once everything's look epic, click Export and choose your preferred format and resolution, 1080p or 4K for the cinematic feel, and save your trailer. And there you go, you have your own cinematic trailer made in minutes with the HitPaw Edimakor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.